Hey y'all, welcome back once again to our channel. Today we have 2 for 1. We have Cookup saltfish or okra and saltfish. So if you don't like okra, stay tuned, and if you do, stay tuned. This is gonna be a good one. Let's get into it. So for this recipe you're gonna need some salted codfish, and you can get these at the store, and you may want to soak this overnight if you have hypertension or you can't consume too much salt. And then you're going to need some okra, and in my plate here we have green onions, tomato, onion, garlic, and colored bell peppers. And then you're going to need black pepper, garlic powder, some red chili peppers if you like, and then I have a little bit of my jerk, and then we're just going to need olive oil and a little ketchup. So in a pot I actually have a piece of saltfish soaking from this morning. So now I'm going to pour of this water, and then we're going to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes to get any other residual salt out the pot. So let's get to doing that. In a pot, you see I've covered my saltfish all the way up, and so that's about, I want to say, 4 cups of water, and we're just going to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. So this has been cooking for about 20 minutes, and if you notice, my pot is half masked or half covered, because you don't want it to be overflowing in your stove. And so this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to turn it off and rinse it in some water, and then we're going to debone it and clean the scales off, and then we'll be ready to make that okra and saltfish. So we'll be right back. So I have washed, and the fish is almost cool, and you see it's breaking up, so we're just going to remove the outer scales and stuff, make sure there's no bones. You're just gonna do that for the rest of your salted codfish. Just remove the excess bones like so, and the skin. You see there's some fine bones here, so you just want to remove them. You can make the fish as small as you would like or as big as you would like. And you just do that for the remainder of your salted fish. If you like what you see here, remember to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything. Share with your family and friends, and come watch us make some delicious meals on a weekly basis. So in your skillet, you're going to pour some oil. I'm using olive oil here. Once that's heated, then so we're going to start to put our seasoning in. leave the bell peppers for last, because I don't like when they're soggy. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of our jerk seasoning on it, like so, just to give it a little salt instead of regular salt, but more flavor. For about 2 minutes. Then we're just gonna stir. I like my tomatoes to be mashed out some. My salad pieces. This is coming together now because my tomato is getting softer here. And go ahead and add your saltfish. And if you don't like okra, we just season this up, like I'm going to do in a moment here. And this will be your Cookup saltfish. And we add some black pepper here. It's a garlic powder. And then we just add a little of your red pepper flakes. That's optional. Then you add some ketchup. Just to give it a little bit of color. A little bit of broth in there too, just to give it some gravy, to eat some sauce or gravy to eat with. And you cover for a minute. And there you would have your Cookup saltfish. See how it looks delicious, smell good in here too. To continue, you would just now add your okra. And you see I'm using frozen because these ones keep better than the fresh ones. And then we're just going to put some black pepper on this as well. And a little of the red pepper. And a little more ketchup here. Of the broth, stir. You're gonna cover up for about 10 minutes so the frozen okra can be cooked properly. So let's cover up and then come back. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. This is coming together. Stir it around. Give it another 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and just add our black peppers. And then by the time it's a little bit more, we'll be all done. And there you have it, the finished product. Enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.